If you want a simple, powerful way to sell digital products like ebooks, courses, software, or downloads from your WordPress site, fluXtore could be a tool that makes everything easier. It helps you to build sales funnels, checkout pages, upsells, and manage payments all without any complex setup. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful tools that make work easier and increase the income. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the fluXtore's lifetime deal on AppSumo. And by using the link from description, you will get some discount and the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's take a look at what fluXtore offers, how it works, and when it can be a perfect match for your digital product business. fluXtore is mainly a funnel builder plugin for WordPress, which designed to help you to sell products including the digital items. It integrates with common tools like WooCommerce or page builders, which let you to build the checkout flows, product pages, upsells, and delivery systems, but without needing any coding knowledge. When you set up, you can use one of its pre-designed and optimized templates. That saves you the trouble of designing everything from scratch. Then you add your digital product, maybe a PDF course, a software, or download. Set the price, and fluXtore handles the payment and the delivery. For many digital sellers, this is very enough to get started fast. But the real power of fluXtore comes with when you use the funnel feature. After a customer buys, you can present the upsells, maybe an advanced version, or the extra files, or maybe the bonus materials. With just one click, they can buy it. You can also set the order bumps, small add-ons at checkout, or the downsells, often the lower cost alternative if they skip the upsell. These tools help the increase of your revenue per customer. Another useful part is the customizable checkout and the thank you pages. You can brand the checkout flow to match your site, reduce the friction, and gives the customer a smooth, trustworthy buying experience. That's especially important when you sell the digital products. Many customers hesitate if checkout looks suspicious or complicated. For sellers who manage multiple websites or products, fluXtore's pricing plan on the AppSumo it is very attractive. The lifetime deal from the AppSumo it offers different tiers of plan depending on how many sites you need. The personal plan works for a few sites. Higher plans give you the more website license, which is useful if you run the multiple stores or client sites. Because it's a one-time payment, fluXtore can become the very cost-effective in the long run. Compare that to many subscription-based e-commerce tools. Over months or years, you could save a significant amount. But that said, no tool is perfect. fluXtore also relies on the WordPress or the WooCommerce or the compatible environment. If your site is not based on WordPress or you prefer a different platform, fluXtore may not fit. Also, while funnel feature, the upselling, bumps, downsell, or etc., these are powerful, setting them up properly may need some learning curve, especially if you have not done sales funnel before. Another thing, because you sell the digital product, you will want your delivery and security setup to be reliable. To make sure when you upload the digital files, you deliver them securely and avoid any unauthorized sharing. That depends on your hosting, site setup, and how you configure fluXtore plus WooCommerce. For small businesses, digital creators, freelancers, or anyone who's selling the downloads like ebooks, courses, or the digital art, maybe software, fluXtore gives a powerful, affordable way to start or scale your digital store. You get an easy funnel builder, optimized checkout flow, upsells, downsells, and long-term access with one payment. If you value the affordability, ease of use, and want to build a digital product store without juggling multiple plugins or services, fluXtore is worth to considering. So that's it basically. Now I hope you understand about the fluXtore. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of video, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. And don't forget to use the link from description to grab the lifetime deal from the app Somo. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.